This is a quail egg tutorial, so easy and so nice to paint. Let's paint together with watercolors. An outline drawing is done. Taking elastic eraser and removing the excess amount of graphite off. Line drawing is available for download. Let's mix watercolors. Lamp black, Alizarin Crimson, and Indian yellow. We have very nice brown color. For the next one, I'm taking a little bit from the first mix, adding lamp black for a darker, and the third one is added Ultramarine Blue for a cooler, and the fourth is Manganese Violet. Testing on a piece of paper. It would be very lovely if you have a quail egg right beside you so you can check your colors. Now we can start painting. Be sure that your water is clean after mixing colors, applying water to the whole area. Water just enough so the watercolors can be moved around. They shouldn't be floating around, but moved with a brush. So don't overwork here with water. And adding mix where is the lamp black and a little bit of brown and ultramarine blue, a little bit of manganese violet. First we need to build a nice background color from which we gonna then put those beautiful spots. But first few layers will gonna be all about building that roundish look of this quail egg, moving slowly while the surface is wet, pushing watercolors where I need them. Be careful to leave the light area light as it is. I'm not applying watercolors to the very edge. I'm later on pushing watercolors closer to the edge line, so I'm not getting that crisp edge when the watercolors are getting dry. It's very common to have this crisp edge around dried watercolors. That's why I'm move my watercolors closer to the edge line and making it more softer. This is a round subject and we need a very soft edge. We don't need crisp edge here like it would be a petal or a leaf edge. While the surface is wet, I can add more watercolors, but be careful, don't overwork with your paper. Be aware of your paper quality, how much water it can receive from the first go. And here I will be painting in layers, and after each layer I'm pausing my recording. You will not see that that I'm pausing and waiting, but I will pause and wait till the surface is completely dry, and then I will apply next layer. I'm finishing this tutorial. It was so lovely to paint it really fast. It's very easy. I really recommend painting this quail egg. You will enjoy the process and you will definitely learn something new. Thank you for being here. Thank you for painting with me, and see you in my next tutorials. Bye bye.